So guys, this is where I am working today. In the Christmas preparation, you have to smear your houses, and today I'm doing over here. It's a video that we did, but I didn't finish. But here I am today. Hmm? Mm.
Ele go ingera. Over late na assim tudo, aí para pode.
So guys, this is how it is all over. Very, very beautiful. You know, attached house, how it appears because of Christmas. This is what we usually do over here. Wow.
T-shirt style kuja nayo hapa.
Here we have where we usually put utensils when you have washed it. We have real longer. This is the other inside from where I was smearing. These are the firewood over here. In Christmas, this is how they store. And here we are using beautiful. We are cooking githeri. Oh Jesus! Githeri for lunch, but it is not ready. And they are using this chick over here that usually do what? Use the firewood that is being laid on these metal wires. So they do it, guys. Let me know if you have these such a chick at your home, but we usually cook here at these three figures over here. This is a typical village life. I have to cover them because they are not that ready. Like this. Here we have maize. This is a new maize. We have sukuma wiki. This is our garden over here. If you go back to my videos, you wanna see this. I was weeding over here, but long time ago. That's a small kiosk that is over. There's something over there. This is if you want to start a small project, you wanna start like keeping 2 chickens in this basket over here. New maize from the farm. Hi, hello. We usually use that sufuria for it to drink some water. Bow. They usually sleep there on that shade, but that's a temporary shade. You know, Unity is supposed to have like a permanent thing. Like there's a tree of avocado over there, guys. So like the video, subscribe.